Good morning, everyone. Today is 25th of December. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. And today is also our Honey and Snow's birthday. So, wishing Honey and Snow a very happy birthday. I miss both of them. And we have reached Kota actually. ऐसे तैसे we have adjusted the seats and we had a kind of a nap. So that's great. So let's see. Like the train is jam packed. There is no seat at all. So sometimes such things also are very interesting and this is how you make memories sometimes. So we're enjoying. So let's see how it goes. I'm not in a rush because the weather is it's very nice. The weather is really getting good. I'm not at all in a rush. I'm sure the destination will be amazing, but right now I'm enjoying this weather, which is amazing. I can tell you, it's really good. I'm more excited now as compared to before. When you're traveling, I think enjoying every moment is very important. Right now, the sunset is going to be too good. As you can see this, the sun is setting down. I have no words actually. I cannot capture it, but it's a different kind of view. It's completely different. I cannot explain the greenery around and the sun on the top which is setting down. I have no words. It's just kind of a weather and I'm already loving it. So from Panipat onwards the weather is so chill. It's too good actually. From Panipat it has changed. Before that it was not so cold, but from Panipat it's completely changed. It's completely chill like the hill station. So it's amazing. Let me show you. So my calculation was wrong. The train is actually late. We were supposed to reach at 6:30 to Chandigarh, but it's almost 8 and we are still at Ambala. So we are late. So let's see what time we reach our destination and move further. Let's see. So we have finally reached Chandigarh. It's 8, almost 9 o'clock you can say. It's quite cold and the weather is really nice. So we have reached half the destination. The final destination will let you know. This is the amount of crowd that is there to go on the lift for the exit point. So we are waiting for some time. There he is. Where is he? So finally we are out of the full jam that was there and we are walking towards dinner. I don't know, Pradesh is hungry, but I'm not. So let's see whether we are going to the next actual destination or we wait and then take a break and then move. So that depends on the mood. ये हमारे लोग जा रहे हैं गाड़ी तक. So from here we'll be going to the next destination. So we have taken a stop here to have our dinner. So let's see, there are many. There's KFC, there's Domino's. We actually didn't want to have, but after this I don't know when will be the next break that we will get. So we thought we'll just have, because our afternoon food also was not that heavy. So we are damn heavy, we'll have and we'll leave.
I like it. It's cool.
So we are here at Chawla's to have, we actually wanted to have chole bhature but they don't have it. So we are having dal makhani and roti along with tea. A great combination. These are our rotis and these are some onion and chutney and the dal fry. It looks very yum, so let's taste it as we are also very hungry. It's 1:30 right now and we thought of stopping and staying because it should not be hectic for us. So we got a good room actually. For 3,000 we are sharing, 5 of us are sharing the room. So it's quite affordable and good. So we are staying for tonight. Tomorrow morning we are leaving for our next destination. So this is it on 25th. Signing off. That's all for the day.